Alrighty. So today I'm going to be switching gears and talking about a little bit of literature in English, and I want to be talking something simple, types of sonnets. So I'm going to go over two main types and just some information about each on the construction of the different types of sonnets. So I want to talk about Italian, and then the other type is English. The English ones were made popular by Shakespeare, so they can also be called Shakespearean. And then the Italian ones are made by a guy named Petrarch. I have spelled both of these wrong. Do not copy my spelling. Um, the English one is composed of 3 quatrains and a couplet. This one is composed of 1 octave and 1 sestet. All sonnets have 14 lines. Usually. I've seen one with 16. So that changed my world. But usually, yay, around 14 lines. 1 octave, octave meaning 8 lines, sestet meaning 6, so 8 plus 6 is 14. Quatrains, meaning quattro meaning 4, 3 times 4 is 12 lines in one couplet, couple meaning 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, so that's how we get to 14 lines on each side. And then what are the constructions? I want to talk about rhyme real quick. So an octave loves this ABBA, 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 ABBA. This is going to be the octave. And then the sestet can follow a CDE, CDE, or CD, CD, CD pattern for the sestet. And then your volta comes between lines 8 and 9 when we're switching between the octave and sestet. And then for the English one, we call AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. That is usually what it is. So we have our first quatrain, our second quatrain, our third quatrain, and then our GG couplet. The volta usually appears around when the couplet comes in. The couplet kind of pulls that off. So around 9 and 10 is when the volta appears here. Now for these types of sonnets, these are general rules of thumb. These are by no means the actual concrete roads to life to follow when doing them, but just this is a good rule of thumb when looking at a sonnet and trying to make some decisions. So when you're analyzing a sonnet, what type of sonnet is it? Who was it written by? When was it written? Also, line numbering, that's going to help you very easily identify this and identify your rhyme scheme, and you will be well on your way to making sense of it. I hope that was helpful.